place, and all the lonely shadows chase me. By the railroad tracks at midnight, not a living soul is in sight. Where the lines gleam between the rust, and nothing ever runs here, just a ghost train. The people in the town all warn me not to come here for the story. Says that there is always danger for the unsuspecting stranger. But as I stand here on the track, there's nothing